The Goods and Service Tax, GST, is an indirect tax which is based on destination principle. Under this principle, tax is levied on goods and services in the place where they are consumed rather than where they are produced. It is also known as consumption tax. As you may be aware, GST is going to be implemented from July 1st onwards. It is an exhaustive consumption tax that will help eliminate the nuisance of multiplicity of taxes and their cascading effects. GST is IT-oriented in nature, wherein all activities ranging from registration to filing of returns, payments and refunds will take place. Presently, there are various central and state taxes which are levied. Under GST, 17 of these taxes will be subsumed, thereby removing the hassle of multiplicity of taxes and the cascading effect of taxation. This would in turn promote the concept of a common market for all. GST would enable taxpayers to register themselves using their permanent account numbers and file tax returns, process payments and receive refunds online. For this purpose, the government created a non-profit organization called GST Network, GSTN, to provide the technological infrastructure needed by the central and state governments, taxpayers and other stakeholders for the execution and implementation of GST. This will also enable collation of data at a central level, after which it will be transmitted to the state tax departments, thereby preventing tax evasion and widening the tax base to include more traders. There will be one single unified common national market that will help in the seamless flow of goods and services by preventing tax on tax and make goods cheaper for the Indian consumers. Generation of employment opportunities, since GST would give a boost to the export and manufacturing sector of the economy. Cascading effective taxation would be averted, since input tax credit would be applied at every stage of supply of goods and services. Elimination of multiplicity of taxes, leading to ease in conducting business. Reduction in the number of procedures, as filing of taxes, returns and refunds would be automated and simplified. Lower compliance costs, as central and state taxes presently levied would be subsumed under GST. Tax burden of companies would fall, thus bringing down prices of commodities. SISL would be delighted to welcome you on board and become our application service provider. ASPs form a crucial part of the GST chain, wherein ASP connects the taxpayers to GSP. ASPs collect raw data from the taxpayers and function as software vendors by facilitating filing of returns. SISL would provide a number of core services to ASPs: test APIs, technical support, functional support,